Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Alcatel 1SE Lite, and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account in this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and then we have to scroll down in order to find the accounts. Of course, if you want to, you can use Google section, but I prefer this one, so let me tap on it and then tap on Add Account. Choose Google and make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation. Alright, it may take a while, so be patient. And here in this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it, and just a quick disclaimer, you do not have to enter the full email address, just the very first part of it before the @ symbol, because after tapping on next, your device will autofill it, I mean the part after the @ symbol. So here we have to enter the password, and let me do this out of the screen. Alright, let's tap on next. Okay, let me try it again. Alright, we've got it. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course if you want to, you can read it, just tap on it, and here you've got the info. Let's tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so just tap on accept. And as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. Of course, you can also remove it whenever you want to. Just tap on it and then tap on remove account. Tap on remove account again. And as you can see, it will immediately disappear. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.